Hey guys, welcome back to my booth. Irfan here. Today I'll be checking out something that isn't even out there to buy yet. These are the Juxxe Jamsports True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, which are currently being campaigned for on Indiegogo at a price of $49. In my testing so far, I was skeptical about them in the beginning, but after testing them, I feel that they have great potential to give serious competition to some of the known brands out there. I'll also be doing a giveaway of these, so make sure you stay till the end of the video. If gadget reviews, DIY projects, and life hacks are your thing, then consider subscribing to my booth and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action. Let's do a quick unboxing and then move to the review. Here is the box, really neat and classy. It's Bluetooth 5.0 enabled, some other specs on the back including the mention of a 12-month warranty. Inside the box we have a quick start guide, the earbuds inside the charging/carrying case, a USB-C charging cable, and three sets of silicone ear gels of different sizes. Two are here and one is already on the earbuds. Now the charging case looks sort of like a jewelry box. There's four battery indicating LEDs on the front and a USB-C charging port on the back. It's not the smallest box out there, but not super bulky either. Here are the earbuds, quite an unusual design I have to say. They have a shiny plastic outer part and a special silicone coating called TPSIV on the inside which goes in contact with the ear. Now just as it says on their campaign page, it actually does have a very natural skin feeling and even the charging pins are in sort of an indent so it doesn't touch the ears. Now I have the white ones here and they are available in four colors: white, black, red and blue. The outer part I would have loved it more if it was matte, but this isn't bad either. There is an LED above the logo and a microphone on the silver part on both the earbuds. Now the right way to wear them is to plug it into your ear and then rotate it so that the microphone is facing forwards. This way it fits right into the inner ear chamber and let me tell you, there's no way these things are falling out. I ran with them for almost 3 kilometers, including a high intensity sprint, followed by a 4-minute fat burning circuit, including jumps, mountain climbers, squats, etc. And they didn't so much as loosen out a bit. One of the best and easiest part is connecting. You simply take them out and wear them, and there's a small voice prompt saying power is on. Now you pull out your phone, enter the Bluetooth settings, and look for Jamsports X1 and connect to it. And there's another voice prompt saying it is connected. And that's it. They are compatible with all sorts of devices, Android, iOS, and even computers. Maybe not the very old versions of Bluetooth, but I am connecting them to an iPhone 6 and it seems to work fine. Another good part is both the earbuds will connect among themselves automatically, so you don't have to do silly maneuvers like the other cheaper sets out there. You can use one at a time as well, and that has to be the right one because that is the one that connects to the phone. Talking about the sound quality, it is exceptional. Crisp, clear, there is built in noise reduction, not extremely loud, but the bass is just fantastic. It's like having mini woofers inside your head, and even at higher volumes, there's no sound cracking. One thing I would like to bring to their attention is that when running in windy conditions, there is slight wind disturbance, so they need to work on that before making it official. Battery life is great. They each have an 80 milliamp hours battery inside, which can give up to 4 hours of listening time per earbud, and the box can hold another couple charges inside, giving a total of about 100 hours of playtime as per their official website. Now, the box takes 2 hours to charge, and in an urgent condition, 15 minutes of earbud charging inside the box can give 1.5 hours of playtime, which is quite decent. There's more to it than simply earphones, though. It also has touch controls. Before that, one more thing, it auto connects every time with the phone when you take it out of the box, provided the phone's Bluetooth is on. Now, this is very convenient, and I speak from experience, it can be annoying having to do the whole reconnection thing every time. Coming to touch controls, you can tap on any of the earbuds once to play or pause the track you're listening to. Now, if you're in an app like YouTube, it will work on that as well. If not, it will simply play the phone's built in player. You can also increase or decrease the volume using the earbuds. To increase the volume, simply tap and long press on the right earbud, and you can see the volume going up slowly. Now, to decrease the volume, just tap and hold on the left earbud, and you can see it coming down. You can also change tracks by double tapping on the right earbud to move forward through the playlist, and double tapping on the left earbud will make you go one track back. And finally, tapping 3 times on any of the earbud will summon your phone's virtual assistant like Siri or Google Assistant. Now, the tap recognition is not super sensitive as it might be, say, in Apple AirPods. Sometimes it might not recognize a touch at all, but generally speaking, it is quite decent. You can even use it to take calls. When you receive a call, it will automatically pause whatever you're listening to, and you can tap on the right earbud to take the call, and then once you hang up, it will resume from wherever you left off. The microphone is not really the best one out there. In spite of having two microphones, it still sounds to the other person a little choked up, but it is audible. And one final thing to point out is that it is IP66 rated, which means it is completely dust resistant and it can stand up to jets of water, which essentially means you can use it in rain or shower but not take it swimming. And now to conclude, the design is unique, stylish, not bulky, comfortable fit, and won't fall off. Sound quality, great in every aspect, clarity, bass, volume leveling, everything. Just a little tweaking required with the wind part I mentioned earlier. Tap controls are comprehensive. By the looks of it, it is designed mainly for sports, but it also offers all these extra functions, which I consider bonus. Quick auto connection is a big plus. Great battery life and IP66 rated. It is not the best set of earbuds out there, but based on the functions available for the price, it is definitely a bargain. I'll leave a link to their Indiegogo campaign page in case you want to check it out. And I happen to have another brand new sealed set of white Juxxe Jamsports X1, which I'll be giving away in the coming couple of days. I'll be announcing more details on my Instagram page, so make sure you follow at MiiBooth and keep an eye out for it. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to MiiBooth for more gadget reviews and life hacks. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Instructables. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.